Hey guys, today I'm going to be naming 15 different parts of the sheep brain. So to start off with, we have your cerebral, you have your right cerebral hemisphere, and then your left cerebral hemisphere. This is your frontal lobe, your right parietal lobe, left parietal lobe, temporal lobe, and then your occipital lobe. Here, you have your cerebellum. Your pons would be within here, and they would go to your medulla oblongata. This is your spinal cord. So I've already pre-cut this. I'm going to open up. Here, this is your olfactory bulb, your olfactory tract. Your optic chiasm would be here. Your optic tract here. And then this would be your pituitary gland. So that's all I'm going to be doing today. Any questions? Y'all have a good day.